1 2 1 2. Wagwan everyone, 1212. So if you're listening to this, I will start the stream once we hit 100 likes. So go on, hurry up.
is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently.
Hello,
paying
Mike.
attention to every small detail.
How are you doing?
That
Very
would maybe
good.
go unnoticed by
Very
the
good.
common eye.
Hello, Thomas.
Or by the edge is
Hello,
our
Anna.
playground.
How are
With a
you?
constant
Very
strive for
good.
glory.
Good profits today. Simple, clean.
Seeking for a new tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hi, Thomas.
Do you feel
Hello.
special? Take back control of your investments.
Hello,
Hey,
how is everyone?
very good.
Gold is up so high today, I'm getting a nosebleed.
It is ridiculously high, but as soon as it broke 25 and 2600, I had the feeling when I saw the market structure that 2700 it should come soon.
Yeah.
I mean, if you
Yeah.
look at the market structure, it's just absolutely amazing. I mean, look at this.
Wow. Yeah.
You can't wish for a nicer trend, and this is almost 2000 pips
Yeah.
as we speak.
I
Not
have
not yet.
I have been very foolish on this entire bull run, thinking that I was going to time the reversal. And so I have sells placed at 4 different places along the way up. And now I have all 4 of those trades hedged. And that's my psychological limit. That's the rule I put for myself, is I will only have 4 hedged positions, so 8 total positions. So now I just have to wait for this to turn around. That's when I'm going to make my money.
Yes, it's good to have the limits, but did you know that my biggest ever loss came from a bull run like this?
Oh, really?
Yeah, once.
How did
I think it was back in 2012, 2014, 2016, I can't remember. But I got caught up in a very big bull run, and I was like, oh, it must be the pivot point, it must be turning soon, there must be reversal. No, there was no reversal. I was just straight through the roof, and I got burnt very, very, very badly. And since that, but I think on that one particular day, I burnt about £40,000.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had something similar like that happen for about $30,000 too once. It was painful. I feel your pain. Yes.
Yeah.
Similar situation too. Also a bull run. And what's more is I had my family calling me. I had only been trading for a short time, and my family were calling me and saying, "Hey, we heard gold hit a new time high. How'd you do today?" So I was, oh.
No way. No way. God. Yeah. It's you remember those, and but same as when you go in, you go into boxing. You want to compete. You want to learn. Most of the people never put their hands up. They never protect themselves.
Right.
And when I was doing kickboxing when I was younger, my coach always told me, like, put your fucking hands to your head, and I never did it. And he kept on, punching me and slapping me, and that was a very good lesson to learn. That was the only way to learn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Han on YouTube is asking, what do you think about the news today? Yeah, there will be news today. Let's have a look on what do we have on the menu today. Because, I just call it the menu because we are eating very nicely. By the way, those of you in VIP or members club or whatever we call it, so those who are part of the Alpha FX community, if you manage to catch the buy with all the other hundreds of FX members. I took profit. I took about 75% of profit. So, you know, I'm not telling you what to do with your money, but I cashed out.
Well done.
And thank you very much. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cash out the other runners as well, because you never know.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Tarek. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Thank you for the signal.
You're welcome, brother.
It was good. It was good.
Right on. I guess there's a chance here that news will drive this to 2,700, or back down to 2,640.
Yeah, if you notice on the chart, it's already started, you know, a little bit of pullback.
Yeah.
We broke through the previous all-time high, and every single time there was a new all-time high, that was a pullback followed by a pullback. So every impulse move in trading or in the markets is followed by a retracement or a pullback. Most of the time, it may come in 5 minutes, it may come in 5 days, depending on the asset, on the underlying asset, or, you know, many things. But I'm not saying this is going to be the reversal where it aggressively pulls back all the way down to the breaking point, which was at around, you know, 2665 or 2670. But chances are high that it may pull back based on the data if we have a sell the news and buy the fact type of scenario with today's data that we are going to talk about now. It may be a probability, but the problem is that right now, the same situations as in the morning, it turns into a, okay, what if? That it may pull back. What if pull back? So it's kind of like a guessing game, which I don't like. The only difference between this morning, when we had absolutely no data, absolutely no news, just the juice from the fuel from the geopolitical tension, the only difference is that today we have US GDP, durable goods orders, and the jobless claims as well. And also we're going to have Federal Chair Powell speaking today. So it's somewhat better because we can trade on economic data. So let me just see how many people are.
Powell speaks at 2 p.m. New York time. Is that right?
Yeah, it's just 30 minutes before, or 10 minutes before New York Open. So it's 2:20. Sorry, 3:20 at my time.
Okay, got it. 9:30 here.
9:20 your time, I think.
Yeah.
So.
Yep, 9:20, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not saying I'm gonna wait because I have the not the bricklayers. Who's the guy who does the walls?
Rywaller? Mason?
Mason, yeah. I have the Mason. No, not plaster. It's the Masons because it's a brick wall. Yeah, they're working in my garden, and I was doing gardening today. You won't believe what I found today. You know, you have those tuyas and Leylandi cypresses. They're kind of like the hedges. And I was in a garden center 2 months ago, and I saw a very nice plant. That was like, that's good for a hedge. You can make a hedge if you plant it every meter. And guess what was its name? Leylandi Gold Rider. So I ordered 70 plants into my garden. So I'm going to do a nice hedge all around the area.
Very nice. You'll have to send us pictures.
Yeah, once it's done, it takes a few years. So this is the Leylandi Gold Rider. It has a very nice subtle golden color.
Oh, this one on the right here, that's a very thick hedge. You like really want to put up a visible barrier, yeah, to your property?
Yeah, because I'm going to I want the pool. I don't want anyone to see into the property, but once I'm only going to start the pool and all the nice things when the hedge is up, so no one can see anything really. It's quite a thick bush, but I love it.
Yeah, very
this
nice.
is the basic Leylandi? How do you call it? It's Leylandi.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Is-
Cupresociparis. It's kind of like a Cyprian.
Apparently, it grows well in your climate.
Oh, very well. And there's no, it doesn't have any kind of enemies, you know, the bugs and the things. Bruh, we're talking about pools. Yeah, brother, we have to. I mean, you know, once you achieve a level, you can talk about these things. Most people don't achieve because they talk about these things first before they do any work. Okay, so gold already pulling back. Let me just type a message to the members. Yeah, so there's a possibility that price might pull back to where it broke through the previous all-time high. I mean, it's crazy that every single week we have a new all-time high. Yeah, 2665. Which is about 140 pips away, so we could have an aggressive spike to the downside and then move to 2700. Raul is in the house.
Hi, Rahul.
How are you doing, young man?
Hey, Taz, how are you, brother?
I'm alright, man. I just thought I'd pop in and say hello.
Did you just wake up?
Nah. I've been awake since early, bro. I'm a content creator as well as other roles in the company right now, so just be busy.
So you joined the OnlyFans team.
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to subscribe, but you know, good luck.
All good. Yeah, I'll be back soon. I've just been trying to organize everything for my new roles and whatnot, and all these investments. So.
Yeah, good luck on your new venture. And
Thank you. I see you killing it as usual, king of Pipland.
mate, today was. I looked at the charts. It was like it's fucking brilliant.
I agree. I don't have the time. I want to jump in these Zooms with you, but I'm like inundated with work. I'm like, damn. But soon, hopefully. We're going to see that 3,000 mark soon with gold as you predicted a couple of months back, yeah?
Say it again, sorry.
I said the prediction of gold reaching 26 to 2,800 that you did a couple of months back. Way past it.
Yeah, but you know, there was a guy who was predicting even 3,000, 5,000 and 10,000 last year.
Wow.
Even before me.
Good evening, Habibis.
Hey.
What's going on?
Nothing. Booked profit.
Oh yeah, it's big retracement.
Gold is melting.
Oh dear.
Oh, it is melting. It is melting. So thanks freaking God I took profit.
Well, I'm taking out everything. Script. It's gone. We made money.
Who made money?
We made money.
Who made money?
We did.
With it, brother. So, maybe there is a retracement coming. We have 18 minutes until the data. And for you guys, I already sent out the game plan, which I'm going to show you. Hold on, I'm going to change it. I already sent out for the VIP members because you are VIP, so you get the signals beforehand. That we have US GDP, initial jobless claims, counting jobless claims, and durable goods orders in 16 minutes. And if you have a southern news and bind effect type of scenario, gold could easily pull back and then reach 2,700 today. How about that? And I'm going to show you guys what was sent out to the VIP. So this is the game plan. Read it.
You haven't traded much GBP USD.
No, because I was focusing on gold in the last few days.
Well, obviously it's been going crazy bullish for British pounds compared to USD.
Yep.
Shall we do the breakdown of the news?
It's already there in Discord, so yeah, we can do it. Someone just asked about how to put the timer on MetaTrader. If you look on my MetaTrader, hold on. If you look if you look in my MetaTrader, you can see on the bottom left where you have the indicators. So black candle timer. You need to add it in your MetaTrader market or whatever. That's how we add the timer. And yes, we are going to do the breakdown. You can see gold already pulled back. I'm waiting for a little bit deeper pullback, but even this could be nice. But I'm waiting for 26.69. Yeah, that's my target. 69 would be very nice. What do we need in order for gold to pull back to 26.69, which is 100 pips away, 130 pips away? What do we need from the data? We have GDP and jobless claims. My main focus is jobless claims and then GDP and then everything else. So today,
Lower jobless
yeah, we need lower jobless claims
and
for
higher
gold to go
GDP.
higher. Yes, absolutely. Well done, brother. So we need higher GDP, lower GDP, higher jobless claims,
and lower GDP to go up gold.
Yes. Lower G, D, and P. There you go. Nice border as well, so even those with visual impairment can see it properly. And here we have I think there's more upside to gold today than downside. So in order for gold to go below 2660 or significant pullback, we need lower jobless claims and higher GDP. And this has to be significantly lower and higher. There you go. So this is the game plan for today. And right now, I don't have any new positions, and I'm not planning to open any new positions just yet.
I keep having a conversation on my own inside my head, talking about getting into another trade because I'm feeling like the happy and excited emotion of making a huge trade. But the worst thing you could do is just go back in and lose some of that gain that you've made.
Did you make profit this morning?
Yeah, definitely.
So what's the number one reason you would want to go back?
Just
to get another hit of dopamine.
Yeah, pretty much. I guess it's that.
Yeah. Have you talked about this with someone?
I am now.
You know,
I am
he's
now.
addictive, but you know, slowly.
Crazy.
I mean, guys, we have 250 trading days in a year. I would say third of it, which makes good money on high impact days, so 250. The third of it is about, you know, let's make it 80. Let's make it 83 days. So in a year, you only have to work 83 days out of 365 to be, you know, profitable. And I guarantee the more you trade, the less success you have, in my experience. If you trade every tick, you trade like a dick, said by Anton Creel.
Yeah, so true.
I mean, this week, how many times we were live? None.
Yeah,
Nada.
today.
Yeah, today. And pretty much, okay, the data was, you know, the gold rally was out of, outside the data event, but we had the geopolitical event, which is kind of like similar category. So there was some catalyst in the market. We analyzed it, we saw it, and reacted to it, because there was pretty much two outcomes to a geopolitical event. Market goes up or down, or maybe no move, but with such a high importance and such a big series of events that happened in Israel and Lebanon, we analyzed it, reacted it, and boom. The same as with the economic data. You see the data, you know the probabilities, and depending on the outcome of the data, or the result of the data, you make a trade. Simple as that. And I'm tempted to enter into another buy.
Simple.
King Shark is asking, front running or wait for data? I would wait. I mean, if you really want to trade, you can try to entering now, but you have to use a big ass stop loss, because I mean, we have big data coming. So, you know, maybe sit on your hands. Why you sit on your hands? I want to announce Giancarlo Luca, who is the winner of the Telegram competition. I already announced it on Telegram. And also, if you would like to join the Alpha community, I'm sending out a discount link, but the discount is going to until this week. So from next month, no more joiners. Okay. Tomasz, what balance did you start your account at? Same as everyone else, pretty much. I started with, you know, £100, £200 when I was at uni, trying to discover this thing, like, you know, 15 years ago. Then lost everything, and then, you know, started working in finance, then got a good salaries. So it's, you know, I started with £100, let's say. That was my first ever deposit.
Hey Charles, you're still debating on going whether to go to the expo or not?
Say it again, sorry.
I was speaking to Charles.
Ah.
Wondering if he's still debating on whether he's going or not.
Yeah, Thomas, are you going?
When is it?
It's
Next
literally
week.
in like 10 days.
That's in October.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's from the 7th till the 8th.
Mm,
Cheeky flight with Emirates. 20% off.
Cheeky one.
Nah,
You went straight
sorry,
away.
guys.
You're
I
up for
will
it,
be
guy.
traveling. I will be traveling in Europe on 10th of October.
Yeah, I only just found out about it, annoyingly. If I knew longer, I would have definitely been going. But it's my anniversary with my partner coming up, and then it's our birthdays soon. So
I'm sure your boyfriend is going to understand.
but yeah, if we do go, it will be like the lastminute.com.
Why don't you take her out and say, well, you know, it's anniversary, I'm going to take you to Dubai, but
To Dubai, exactly. 2 birds in one stone.
Yeah, I'm contemplating it, but it's like I've looked into it and watched all the videos and stuff, and there's a lot of presentations and talks about the upcoming gold market and 2025 trading and all this financial stuff, which would be definitely insightful and helpful. But like someone said in the ForexC chat that lots of influencers and stuff would be there, like trading influencers, but I actually don't think they're not like put on the website or anything, so don't know.
yeah, be careful with the gurus. Like, I go on an annual conference, finance conference, so it's a professional event where they invite some of the portfolio managers, asset managers, heads of private banks, so some really senior and high hit, you know, guys. That those are really truly banking professionals. So you won't see any, you know, Instagram Lambo traders. Those are true, real professionals. Some of my ex-colleagues and very good friends from OTP Bank, from UniCredit, from you know, various banks, and anyone can come, but the speakers are with the finest and highest pedigree, the elite of the industry. So it's not a Forex Expo, it's more like asset management. And remember, last year, 15th of October, the conference is on the same day every year. 4 guys, the top hedge fund manager, top analyst, top economist, you know, there's some very good minds, bright minds. And there was one question. The guy asked them, like, okay, so would you buy stocks now? And all of them said, like, absolutely not. They would avoid any stocks or indices. They said it last year, 15th of October. And since that, all the stocks and indices just went through the roof. So be careful what you don't take their advice granted.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And I can't wait to go on the 15th of October and ask them, like, oh, by the way, you said it last year that
Look at my portfolio. I didn't listen to you.
Oh, Tamas, I had a conversation with Josh. He asked about you. He sent his regards as well.
Oh, very nice. We used to be colleagues at Jamie's Italian. I used to be a waiter when I was at I was doing my masters and uni, and I was waiting. Yeah, he used to be the bartender and I was the waiter.
All right, so you go way back then.
What have I missed here? Okay.
Yeah, no, I had jobs like this. I used to work in.
You're a real man.
Yeah, but when I went to the UK, I had no capital, no friends. That was back in 2006, and I had shitty jobs. But I went to uni, I started studying and worked in finance, so that's how I, you know, got up.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question, Thomas?
Of course, Ahmed.
Yeah, about the prop firms.
Mm-hmm.
What's the best one that supports worldwide trading?
FTMO.
FTMO by hands down.
Okay, thank you. And now it's like
But
start
although
with the 10K
although they're
account.
the best, although they're the best, I've also heard that they have stopped payments to people that earn too much money. So you have to make sure that you keep your payouts small and often, because if you request something silly, they'll just stop you from buying accounts ever again and not pay you.
Yeah, it's risk management. If you take out too much money, you know, it's simple risk management.
Okay, so I would start with the 10K account.
Whatever you want, but even brokers sometimes they refuse you pay. I got rejected many payments, even like, you know, because if they went over the daily limit of you know, what they can pay out, they just simply reject it. It's nothing bad about this. It's simple risk management.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, then they pay you out. And we have a minute and a few seconds for the data. I'm going to switch you guys to TradingView. Hello, bro. How significant are the durable goods orders? Not much. Not much. Yeah, everything is significant to a level, but I would focus on jobless claims because the Jay Powell and you know, the Fed was very clear about it, that they're going to focus on labor market because they have a dual mandate of price stability and full employment. Now, price stability is done because 2.5% inflation is, I think it's good enough. So what they said, they're going to focus on the full employment, so they don't want to push the economy into recession. I'm going to continue because stop smoking, Ahmed. And we have 50 seconds. Yep, we have 50 seconds to go, guys. I'm expecting more bullish movement. Read the chart on TradingView.
And your camera don't work.
Yeah. I keep forgetting to charge the bloody camera. 27 seconds to go. Expecting sell the news and bind effect type of scenario, but for that we need higher jobless claims, lower GDP. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And shout out if you see the GDP. Okay, GDP 3%, it's in line with expectation. Jobless claims is not out yet. Can anyone see the jobless claims data? Okay,
218.
218. What about the continuing?
Higher.
So it's higher and lower. Fucking hell, it's mixed. It's mixed data. Okay, so what I'm going to do, initial jobless claims is actually lower. And we said if it's lower, then gold might push down. But if you look at the continuing jobless claims, it is actually higher.
Initial
Okay, so
was revised.
by how much?
3 up. Before was 19, now is 222.
Hello.
Very mixed data.
Yeah, I would wait for the pullback. So exactly, because of the mixed data, we're going to have sell the news and buy the effect type of scenario. In average, was the jobless claims revised lower or higher, Janar?
Revised the higher.
Higher, okay.
It
Yeah,
was
wait
high.
a little bit. Wait a little bit. Price to pull back to about 26.69.
No, jobless claims was revised lower.
Continue was lower.
Continuing
The
is
initial
lower.
was higher. Before was 19, now is 22. Continue was 29, now is 21.
Yeah.
So maybe price is going to pull back, but you know, there's no guarantee. We have a mixed data, so be careful. We booked already 100 and God knows how many pips. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy, or I'm not going to trade based on impulse. Someone said, yeah, DXY is flying. Yeah, that means it's working properly. But I would look into the yields, brother, if I were you. Yields about to go a little bit higher, but still 3.5%.
What do you mean by it's working, Tamas? You mean them reducing interest rates?
No, it's price is moving on the chart. It means it's alive, it's working. But everyone's like, oh my god, the DXY is moving. Oh my god. No, just, you know, it's working. We had the data out. Maybe it moved a few percentage, tenth of percentage point, but don't jump on everything that moves.
Yeah. I mean, we're still in the 100 zone on DXY, so we're in a big consolidation.
Yeah, just stay calm, guys. Be patient. Be patient. If gold would have dropped way much more if the data was that bad, so I'm going to wait a little bit lower to 26.69. 69.
Thomas.
Yep.
That's what's on there.
I don't know why the NASDAQ was going so up.
Interest rates.
I'm not sure it was interest rates, because midnight it was going so up like 200 pips or so.
Those of you who really want to trade, actually I'm going to wait for a little bit for price to come down and then to continue up. But that's the problem. People come on YouTube and they always want, signal, but sorry guys, we already booked 160 pips. So why don't you join the VIP community and get the signals early? Because this time everyone is in front of the screens, they want to make money. Of course price is going to make dirty moves, like this one. Wait a little bit, maybe comes down lower and you can re-enter.
Tamas, what's your opinion on NASDAQ? Bullish bias.
I will look into it in a minute. Oh yeah.
I think July it's going up so quick.
Yeah, I think it's reasonable. And I'm going to enter with one lot now. But I'm going to use a Y stop loss. And if it comes down a little bit lower, I'm going to re-enter. So this is what I have. But bear in mind that I have enough leverage and capital, enough buffer to play with one lot. So don't go anything crazy. This is just waiting for 69. If it comes down to 69, I'm going to re-enter. If it goes down to 66, 64, then I'm going to close it down and see how price is reacting to that level, because now we are about to retest the previous all-time high. Someone said in the YouTube, Julian said the China stimulus is driving stocks up 100%. I mean, imagine that how much money is coming to the market because of the stimulus package. And it's affecting gold, because many people in China are still hedging a lot with gold, even households, and also the money is going to go into stock markets plus the real estate market, because remember that the number one goal of the Chinese stimulus package, the aim is to revive the property sector. Market waiting for Powell's speech. Yep.
Yeah. Someone was saying at the beginning of this month that 90 or 91% of all Septembers are down months for gold. So if that's going to be true this month, it's going to have to really melt off in the next couple days.
In September?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's many different theories and seasonalities, but you can't always compare last year to this year.
Yeah, it's totally different environment, isn't it?
I mean, the Fed just started a rate normalizing cycle after 4 years. So can we compare this year to last year or the year before or actually 3 years ago? We cannot. It's a completely different regime of monetary policy. Market is waiting for the Powell speech said by Unique Effects on YouTube. Yes and no. Yes, everyone is waiting for Powell. He's a powerful man. But on the other hand, if you think about it, what new information can they give us? Not much. The only thing, because last week there was the FOMC interest rate decision and the press conference and the summary of economic projections. So they pretty much gave us everything they have for the coming months. What else can they say? I don't think they're going to give away anything new information. And price is now retesting the previous all-time high. If it comes down to 69, I'm going to re-enter. Stefan Atkinson says it's already pre-recorded, mate. Okay, pre-recorded. Apparently the Powell speech, it could be. I mean, it just shows that if it's pre-recorded, that I don't think they have anything new to say. 69, entering again.
Yeah, and we're in maybe another round of buy-in.
Yeah, but this is small loads, guys. Don't do anything crazy, especially you, Charles, because you took profit already. I know you. Fucking addict.
There's a big pullback on Great British Pound US dollar. Kind of want to enter on there. I'm risking the profit that I made on that trade this morning. So break even, essentially. If we lose.
And also bear in mind that gold could easily push back a little bit further down, another 30-50 pips. So, make sure when you're calculating your risk, make sure you're calculating, leave enough room for gold to wiggle.
Too big or go home.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Raul? There I'm waiting, मेरी जान.
Oh, someone's in trouble. Wife is speaking.
You've lost all of our money.
Why did you buy? Why did you buy?
What we should all do is, in January, we'll open up a fresh £500 account, and 50% of us put it all on gold longs, and 50% of us put it all on gold shorts, and whoever wins splits the money with the alpha.
Okay, were you good in math in primary school?
No.
Okay, that explains everything. Okay, I'm gonna switch to trading view. Look how nicely price came back into the previous high. Just retested now, exactly at 68.69. So if price wants to go higher based on the current market sentiment of the China stimulus, the geopolitical tensions, the Fed rate cut, and even the mixed data, which it was mixed but it wasn't too bad. I think this is the time when price should pull back and retest 2680, 2690. Okay, lowest position is already running in
£1 million.
£130, ladies and gentlemen. The other one is running in drawdown, but we're not talking about drawdown when we're live. You know, we just only show the wins. So this is rule number 1. KP Drakonama Czechoslovakia. Is there any spots open for monthly membership? 2 people already asked me today, but I don't really want to open because, you know, there are too many scammers. It's why don't you buy the lifetime? It's just one simple payment. It's less administrative work for the team, and you know it filters out because everyone can sign up for £99 or £90. And most of the scammers, they do sign up, and trust me, the amount of shit I have to deal with.
You need to build a AI model. Help you out with that.
I'm not gonna say or give ideas what they do in the group, but trust me, it's nasty. How many people they try to scam, and also what they do with personal data and information. It's unbelievable.
Oh god.
If you want to join, people on YouTube, use that link. It's a very discounted price. Just ask yourself how much money you lost last week or last month, and how much is the sign-up fee. And you know, if the sign-up fee is less than what you lost, then it's a no-brainer. And both positions running in profit. One of them is 3 pips, the other one is 31 pips. Lashadi Makola really should find a group to share wins and losses with. Trading alone sucks when you hit stop loss. I think we have one of the most transparent community. I share my losses as well. I mean, no, actually, guys, do I share my losses or no?
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
Everyone shares the losses.
Not all of them, because you know, no fool naked. But you know, you have to keep some for yourself. But majority of the losses do share.
I'd say it's very transparent.
You hardly
Thank
lose,
you.
boss.
You know, if I lose, you lose as well, because most of you follow the signals. But I've been into some about 6 years ago. Yeah, 6 years ago, I signed up to Daniel Savage. Man, that was nasty. Like, literally just straight wins all the time. No sign of any losses. Like, come on, man. I was curious if he's really a good trader. That's when all the Instagram traders were rising up. Man, that's nasty.
So
I share all my trades, and they're all losers, so...
Charles, please don't lie.
60... oh, how much?
Habibi.
50 pips, running profit. $60 pips profit.
If anyone jumped in GU longs as well, that's playing out nicely. 1.35 TP.
Very nice. That's gonna fly.
70 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm on fire.
Charles, you're in longs on GU.
Yeah, one runner from this morning and then entered again on that retracement. It's just a no-brainer.
Yeah, of course. What's your high time frame target?
Well, a lot of people are expecting 1.35, which isn't that far away.
Yeah.
But also, my target's open until there's like a change in tide with what's going on, basically.
Okay.
So, kind of just playing it by ear, and if any news comes out or data comes out to show that the tide's switching, then I'll probably just take profit.
Yeah, makes sense. You're good?
But bit late to that bull market, really, but it's all right.
Yeah.
all the way since June, like July time. It's just been going crazy.
Yeah, it has. GU is probably my favorite pair to trade, to be honest. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, my high time frame target on GU is 1.346.
Yeah, nice. It's a nice pair, but if you're on the wrong side, it stings you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like it
But-
moves.
Yeah, it does. But the thing with GU is, in my opinion, it's easy to analyze. Do you know what I mean?
It's got good, like, you can find really like pinpoint entries on there.
Yeah.
With like
Yeah.
supply and demand, like a simple strategy.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, if you re-entered, we're running 50 and 22 pips of profit. There could be a deeper pullback, so do whatever you want with your money, but 50 pips is 50 pips. You may want to consider, if you entered with higher loss, to take some profit. I'm not saying anything because it's your money, it's not financial advice. But we just made another 70 pips profit. How nice is that?
Amazing.
Andre is asking, do I buy full margin? Yeah, full margin, brother. All in. Mortgage.
Go on, wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, where is where is it? Andre Mastiff or something?
Andre.
Yeah, the one topless all the time. Where's he been? No homo.
We have a topless guy?
The Polski.
The Dubai man that says it's full.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck, I wanted to say Adrian.
Adrian. Yeah. How can you forget?
He's busy. No, because he said Andrei, and I was talking about Andrei. Yes, I do miss him. He's busy with personal stuff, so he will be back soon when he sorted out. But he's going to be away for a few days. Where is All In Sam? I don't know. Guys, once again, the joining link is in the YouTube chat if you want to join. Come join the Alpha community. We just made another 70 pips with this entry, and I have big hopes that price is going to reach a new all-time high at 2,700 today or tomorrow. I don't understand why. I'm not claiming that we are always profitable within the group. Angelo, Ben, Batis, myself, we have losses as well. But trading together is just another level and so much easier.
And it's fun.
Yeah, but many people, those people usually who join the Alpha community, they always say like, why I haven't joined earlier? Because it's maybe it's more satisfaction to trade away your money. Who knows?
I told myself that.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you regret joining the Alpha community?
No, I regret not joining the Alpha community earlier.
Well done.
It's a good community.
After joining Alpha, there is no another trading gurus.
Yeah. Okay, price is still running in above 50 pips profit. I'm going to call it a day. I think well deserved. I've done today only wins pretty much, so I did everything as possible. Speak to you later. Yeah, that was a good week, guys. Very smooth, very calm, and just stayed profit on a Thursday. Even yesterday was, I think, profit. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very relaxing Thursday evening.
Thank
Enjoy
you,
your
Alpha.
weekend, people.
Have a nice evening. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye.
guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bravo again.
Thanks, Thomas. See ya.
Bye, Thomas. Thank you.
Bye. Why is Dorothy always coming in late?
Yeah.
Okay, and those of you who are listening on YouTube, join the Alpha community. We're just running an 80 pips profit from this trade live, and this is what I do every single day in the morning. Not every day is win. That's bullshit. No one is always profitable. If you made some money today, make sure you invest it in education. Go to alphafx.eu. The cheapest one is £399, but if you use the link in the YouTube chat, then you can join for £299, which is a very reasonable price, in my opinion. I do morning briefings, daily morning briefings, live, economic data trading, macro trading. So make sure you invest some money in your education. Use the link in the YouTube chat. I'm going to pin it. Thank you so much, and hopefully see you soon on the other side. Let's have a final look on. Oh my God, 93 pips, ladies and gentlemen. That is absolutely amazing. Let's just wait until it goes to 100. Go, 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 go. Go higher, higher, higher. I want to take a screenshot at 100 pips. We took 183 pips from the morning, and now we're going to take another 100. Go, go, go. Anyway, I will be doing the screenshot later. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream and you made some money. See you later. This is the Alpha FX.